Regulation 19 and 20. The International Convention for SOLAS sets essential standards for maritime safety, including Regulation 19 and 20, which address navigation, bridge visibility, and the requirements of binoculars and searchlights. Introduction to SOLAS Conventions. Global Safety Standards. SOLAS is the most important international treaty for the safety of merchant ships, establishing minimum standards for the construction equipment and operation of the ships. Continuous updates. The SOLAS Convention is regularly amended to keep up with changing technologies and safety priorities in shipping industry. Worldwide adoption. With 164 contracting nations, SOLAS regulations are universally applied to ensure consistent safety practices across global maritime operation. Overview of Regulation 19, Navigation Bridge Visibility. Unobstructed views. Bridge design must be ensure officers have a clear interrupted view of the surrounding safety, navigate the vessel. Visual aids. Navigational equipment like radar, EGDIS, and night vision devices must be properly positioned to assist the monitoring environment. Emergency situation. Regulation 19 also covers requirements for visibility during critical maneuvers and emergencies to enable rapid decision making. Key points. Key requirements of Regulation 19. Forward visibility. Bridge windows must be provided a minimum arc of visibility of 225 degrees to the bow of the vessel. Blind sector. Blind sector caused by cargo hull, design or other obstruction cannot exceed 10 degrees individually of combined total of 20 degrees. High up eye. The high up eye of the navigational bridge must be at least 1,800 mm above waterline to ensure a clear view. Navigational bridge visibility consideration. Ship designs. Bridge visibility requirements must be factored into initial ship design and layout optimized sightlines. Environmental factors. Weather condition, lightning, and other environmental variables can impact visibility and require adjustment. Crew training. Navigational officer must be properly trained to effectively utilize all available visual aids and compensate for blind spots. Maintenance. Regular inspection or keep navigation equipment and bridge windows is crucial maintaining optimal visibility.